Well, local groups are making sure people know their rights when it comes to marijuana legalization here in New York. Rock Normal, Free the People Rock, and Hemp Lab hosted an information session yesterday outlining what people can and can't do when it comes to smoking pot. The new laws took effect immediately after being signed by the governor. Now the concern is that police and community members might not be clear on what is legal and what isn't. Organizers also want to provide information on how to get involved with the booming cannabis industry.
A lot of what the bill has done is, from an equity perspective and a justice perspective, is changing the rules of what it means to be a cannabis consumer, whether that be in possession or consumption. So I think, we're really trying to create a space so folks can really understand what is allowed and what is not allowed. How is this different than what was? And yeah, what does it mean for cannabis and cannabis consumers in the future? We're really trying to ensure that young people disproportionately impacted by the war on drugs specifically have access to this information.
Well, these events are expected to be held monthly for those who are interested. We are learning